Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to Fin Reaper Outdoors. Today I'm out in the canal by myself. I left Ollie at home because it's like 35 degrees and I just didn't want to deal with him today and the cold. So here in Gulf Shores, we're actually under a winter storm warning. Tomorrow we're supposed to get like 3 to 5 inches of snow. It's like 35 out right now. Everybody's kind of going crazy down here. It's actually supposed to get down to 19 tonight, but I'm going to run out and see if I can catch some sheepshead real quick. I brought a dozen fiddlers with me because the whole town's out of fiddlers right now, so I'm kind of running on my reserve bait that I keep at home in my little fiddler ranch. And I knew it's so cold, they're gonna die. I'm gonna see if I can turn this dozen into a couple fish, so stick around and see if we can hook some. All right, here we go, first drop. Probably didn't get that up there in front of me far enough. Not like that drop. There we go. Where's the bottom? There he is. You gonna take it? What on earth? They just must be like wanting to chew on it for a day or two today. Nope, there's one. Thought that was a pinfish. He was hitting it like a pinfish. There he is. Pretty good fish. Pretty good fish. Yep. Oh, that's a nice one. Get over here on the dip net side. Oh gosh, that's scary. Well, he ain't got much action in him today with that fish. I thought that was a pinfish and I was just going to pull it away from him, and he hung on. Come here, pliers. Boy, he was hooked now. Yeah, there was no getting off with him. Well, after about an hour of fishing and a whole bunch of short strikes, finally got a sheep. This one's probably 15 or so. Pretty nice fish. Finally, after yeah, a whole bunch of short strikes. I thought this fish was actually a pinfish the way he was hitting it, and I went to pull it away from him to get it away from the pinfish, and there he was. So we'll get him on the stringer, see if we can't get another one. I only have about 4 fiddlers left. I didn't bring very many because I knew as cold as it is, they're gonna die on me, and I won't be able to take them back home, so I didn't want to waste them. So they are just freaking masters today. What is going on? These things are just pickpockets. There he is. Did not feel him hit it. That's a good fish too. That's a good fish. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here, fish. That's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Don't get in the trees. Don't get, pull me out there. Pull me out there, buddy. Pull me out there. That's good. Atta boy. Pull me out there. Get over here. Get over here. Come on. Come on. Oh. No. The bad thing about this pole, it's just a little long. And it makes getting him up here in the dip net sometimes a little bit of a chore. Oh, God. Come here, fish. Get over here. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, that one wore me out. Yeah, that's a nice one there. That one will go a good 5 pounds. Holy cow. Look at how this fish was hooked. He is just barely in there. Pretty lucky I got him to the boat. Look at that. He is, for some reason, hooked in the side of his damn face like that. Wow. Lucky he didn't pull out. Alright. Oh, ow! God, he just stabbed the shit out of me. These spines, I tell you what. Alright, there's our other sheepshead. Pretty nice one. Second fish of the day. This one will probably go 5 pounds. Pretty good fish. He wore me out getting him in. I tell you what, he was a pulling. So, pretty nice fish here. I would think so. And he stabbed me. These spines are like, he's got me bleeding all over the place. All right, I got 2 fiddlers left. Let's see if we can make it happen with these 2. Man, I am bleeding like crazy. These sheepshead, they're like armored fish. And they're down there in them barnacles all day and around all that structure, and they are just spiny and hard, big old scales. All right, this is our last fiddler. Buddy, you better make it count. Last fiddler. Extra careful with him. There he is. On the last fiddler. Another nice one. Another nice one. Get over here on the dip net side, buddy. Oh, and he's off. Holy cow. Ugh. Man. Ugh. What is going on? I don't know if it's that little bend I got in the hook there or what. Ugh. Damn it! Well, now we're going to be forced to use these nasty old shrimp. We'll try that for a minute, but I don't think it's going to work. Well, that does it for me today. I'm headed to the house. Once I ran out of fiddler crabs, there was nothing else happening. Really hurt to lose that last fish on that last crab, so whatever, that's just how it goes. I did end up with 2 pretty good fish, one really nice one. I think this one here is every bit of 20 inches. He's probably going to go a good 5 pounds, so pretty nice fish. Absolutely. But it would have been a nice capper to have that third one. That was probably a good 4 pounder or so. But I'm headed to the house. It's freezing out here. We're supposed to get down to 19 today, so I got to run home, do a little winterization for the house real quick. We can get ready for the deep freeze and 3 to 5 inches of snow tomorrow for Gulf Shore. So hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.